Let's keep on going. Two objects are connected by the cable as shown. The upper object has a mass of 8 kilograms over here, and the lower object 12 kilograms, which is over here. An upward force F is equal to 400 newtons is applied to the upper object. Which statement correctly describes the system's acceleration? Yeah, this acceleration. First, for this type of question, we'll treat this part of the graph as a whole. What do I mean by that? Basically, we treat the entire part of this as a 20 kilograms object. Why? Because the rope provides a tension force, right? Provides a tension force to the 8 kilograms and provides a tension force to the 12 kilograms. This is an internal force which we can cancel out because they have opposite directions and it have same magnitude. If it doesn't have same magnitude, the rope will break. We can cancel it out. So we treat this part as a 20 kilograms object, a bigger object. So let's see what we can get. Let's draw a free body diagram, a new free body diagram. This is the center of mass for this system, for the two block system. Obviously, it have a gravitational force, which is also equal to mg, m times g. And it already told you that there's an action force, which is F equals 400 newtons, pulling it upward. F is equal to 400. First, let's calculate what is Fg of the whole system. What is m for the whole system? It's 20, right? So it's 20 times g. I would just use 10 right here because it will be easier and it will not affect the final answer. So it's 20 times 10 is equal to 200 newtons. So what is the net force? The net force is equal to the upper one is opposite direction. F is 400. Wait, let me just write F minus Fg. Because Fg is in the opposite direction, which means it's like plus negative Fg, which we can just write like minus Fg over here, is equal to 400 minus 200 newtons is equal to 200 newtons. And this 200 newtons, I have no space, so I'll just write over here. And this 200 newtons is equal to m times a. Now, m is the mass for the system, which is 20 kilograms, because we're analyzing the net force for the entire system over here. So the mass is just a mass for the entire system, which is 20. And then how can we figure out the A? So basically, 200 newtons is equal to 20 times A. A is equal to 10, which is very, very close to 9.8. Which means it got the upward acceleration. It got the upward acceleration, which is because it is positive. So which one is correct? The upward acceleration of magnitude g. So C is the correct answer. Also, by the way, if this number is negative, it will be a negative or a downward acceleration of magnitude g, which means it is doing free fall. But in this question, you don't need to worry about it.